Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices so pairing is fast and reliable. Make sure the Dime II and its case have some charge. Low battery can block pairing. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and stay on the Bluetooth settings page so you can spot the Dime II immediately. Keep the earbuds and phone within a few meters and avoid metal obstructions. Now open the case and watch for the LED. This immediate action sets the headset into the correct state to enter pairing mode next. You'll now put the Dime II into active pairing so your phone can see it. After opening the case, check the LED. A flashing white or blue light usually means pairing is active. If nothing happens, press and hold the multifunction button on one earbud for roughly 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. Then, on your phone's Bluetooth list, locate and tap Dime II. The device will attempt authentication and exchange keys. This manual trigger is necessary if automatic discovery fails or the earbuds were previously connected to another device. You should finish by confirming the connection and testing functionality so you're ready to use the earbuds. Watch for a connected status on your phone and listen for the Dime II confirmation tone. Then play audio to verify left and right channels and try the mic with a quick call. If only one side connects or pairing repeatedly fails, perform a reset by holding the multifunction button for 10 seconds to clear previous pairings, then repeat the pairing steps. This reset resolves most stubborn connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.